going on, guys? Figured I'd stop by Kings Island. This will probably be the next to last update that I'll have. Orion's track is almost complete. They finished the turnaround helix right there, as you can see. And I'd say there's about 500 more feet of track they'll have to install and it'll be completed. Firehawk's red train is still sitting over there, which looks like there's only 3 cars sitting there now. There was 3 or 4 more there, looks like. Must have already picked those up. We're getting closer and closer to opening day, almost here at the end of January. Let's run over here behind the Great Wolf Lodge, get an update from back there. I'd say that Orion will be complete by the end of next week.